Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha Nilwaike. Today's topic is the respiratory system. The respiratory system is the complex network of organs and tissue that works together to the help you breathe. Its primary function is to take oxygen from the air and expel carbon dioxide, waste products of metabolisms. Here, the main components of respiratory system consist nose and the nasal cavity. Air enters the body through the nose, where where it filters warm and humidified. The nasal cavity is lined with the mucous membrane and tiny hairs. It's called the cilia that helps trap particles like dust and the microbes. Second, the pharynx, thorax, present in thorax regions. The pharynx is the muscles tubes that serves as a passageway for both air and the food. It connects the nasal cavity to the larynx. Third, larynx. It is a white box located just below the pharynx. The larynx contains the vocal cord and it is responsible for the sound production. It also acts as a gateway, directing air to the trachea and food to the uh, esophagus. For trachea, it is a windpipe. The trachea is a tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It is a line with the cilia and the mucus to trap and expel foreign particles. The trachea splits into the two bronchi, one for each lungs. Fifth, bronchi and the bronchioles. The bronchi are two large tubes that carry air from the trachea into the lungs. Outside the lungs, the bronchi branches into the smaller tubules is called the bronchioles, which further divided and leads to the tiny air sac is called the alveoli. Six, lungs. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory systems. They house the bronchi and the bronchioles and the alveoli and are where gas exchange occurs. The right lungs is slightly larger than the left and three lobes, while the lungs has two lobes to accumulate the heart. Seven number. Alveoli. Alveoli are the tiny balloon-like structures at the end of the bronchioles where gas exchange occurs. Oxygen passes through the walls of the alveoli into the blood, and the carbon dioxide passes from the blood into the alveoli to the exhale. Uh, 8.1 Diaphragm. The diaphragm is the dome-shaped muscles located just below the lungs. It plays the crucial role in the breathing by the contracting and the flattening during the inhalations, which create a vacuum that pulls air into the lungs and relax during the exhalations to push air out. How the respiratory systems work. Inhalations, where you breathe in the diaphragm, contract and move downward, expanding the chest cavity. This creates the negative pressures that draws air into the lungs through the nose or mouth, trachea, and the bronchi. Gas exchange. In the alveoli, oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses into the blood in the surrounding capillaries. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the alveoli to the exhale. Exhalations. The diaphragm relax and the move upward, reducing the chest cavity size, pushing air out the lungs through the bronchi, trachea, and out of the nose or mouth. Function of respiratory system. Oxygen supplies is provide the oxygen to the bloodstream, which is the essential for the cellular respiration and the energy productions. Carbon dioxide removed. Remove of carbon dioxide from the waste product of the metabolism from the body. Voice production. Facilitate the vocalize by the passing the air through the vocal cord in the larynx. Protections. The respiratory system helps to protect the body from the harmful substance by filtering the humidified and the warming the air you breathe. Thank you.